Bazaar born famous intercity train, non-stop intercity train, Fajrog Express 860, now departing Chittagong railway station at 12:02 p.m. Here late is 20 minutes, 21 minutes today. Finally, Fajrog Express slowly depart, leaving Chittagong railway station. Fajrog Express 860 famous Bangladeshi tourist train. It connected Bangladeshi capital Dhaka, Port City Chittagong, and famous sea tourist spot Cox's Bazar. Fajrog Express slowly leaving Chittagong railway station to heading Cox's Bazar. Normally its departing time is 11:40 a.m. So long, Fajrog Express departing Chittagong railway station to Cox's Bazar. Wonderful moment here, Chittagong railway station. Wonderful disaster. If you like 10 video, 10 short, please subscribe our Cox's Bazar channel. More live update from Chittagong, Dhaka, Cox's Bazar.